Welcome to this explainer. Okay, if you're tuning into this right now, you have literally just hit a major milestone. You've officially completed Level 3 Advanced Math and Abstract Reasoning. That is huge. Today, we're going to unpack the source material behind this entire curriculum. We really want to figure out what this level of mastery actually means for you, and honestly, more importantly, how it's completely rewiring your brain for whatever comes next. I mean, let's just take a second to look at this absolute mountain of mathematical concepts you've conquered. We are talking about a seriously rigorous stack of subjects here. Everything from the deep complexities of advanced algebra to real-world statistical analysis, financial math, and yeah, all the way through geometry, trigonometry, and analytical geometry. Navigating all of this, it doesn't just mean you somehow scraped by and passed a class. No way. It actually proves you've got the absolute analytical stamina needed for some serious academic rigor. But here is kind of the real secret sauce of this whole curriculum. You weren't just sitting there memorizing dry formulas. You were actually acquiring this incredible framework for systematic problem solving. It's like you gained this ultimate superpower, learning how to take a massive, overwhelming, totally abstract problem, break it down into tiny, manageable pieces, and then prove your solution using just undeniable logic. Honestly, that's the true takeaway here. So, let's shift gears a bit and talk about the mastery-based mindset and exactly how you manage to pull all of this off. The real engine powering all this success is something called mastery-based learning. You know, in a traditional classroom setup, the calendar kind of just forces you to move on, right? Whether you're fully ready or not. But here, the individualized pacing ensured you truly 100% owned the concepts before moving forward. You weren't just renting the knowledge for a quick Friday quiz. You were building a permanent, rock-solid foundation. And because you were so laser-focused on true mastery, your whole mindset totally shifted. You moved way past that stressful just-passing tests mentality and stepped right into a framework built for lifelong learning and continuous innovation. You've literally trained your brain for the real world. How cool is that? All right, moving right along, let's open up your mathematical toolkit and check out the specific items you've gathered for this journey. Because let's be real, you didn't build this amazing foundation in a vacuum. You utilized a highly specialized toolkit. You had illustrative mathematics laying down that gritty, problem-based groundwork. Then 3 Blue 1 Brown stepped in with those phenomenal visual animations, right? Making totally abstract ideas suddenly visible and intuitive. Plus, you got your hands dirty with interactive tools like Mathagon's Polypad, and you continually deepened your understanding with Khan Academy and Math TV. These aren't just temporary study aids, guys. These are permanent, go-to assets in your problem-solving arsenal. And this whole toolkit really ties back to a core philosophy from QThink, which is simply asking, what does this make you wonder about? That right there, that is the fundamental operating procedure for any critical thinker. Whenever you run into a strange new data set or some totally wild engineering hurdle, this single, powerful question is what's going to drive you right beneath the surface level. So what does this all mean for the road ahead? Let's talk about unlocking those limitless future possibilities. Just think for a second about where you might step next. Maybe it's a cutting-edge, high-tech lab, maybe a super fast-paced financial firm, or even a massive structural engineering site. In literally all of these environments, your advanced math skills are going to be an invaluable asset. Why? Because you now speak the fundamental language of logic. That makes you universally adaptable and, frankly, highly sought after in any field that demands rigorous, structured thought. Your journey into abstract reasoning is honestly just hitting its stride right now. With the phenomenal tools you've gathered and the incredibly systematic mindset you've built up, you are perfectly positioned to embrace whatever complex challenges come your way. You're ready to get out there, enjoy the journey, and make a genuine, massive impact. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final thought to really ponder. How will your advanced reasoning shape the limitless possibilities of our future? The world is absolutely full of incredibly complex problems that are just waiting for masterful thinkers to solve them. We seriously cannot wait to see what you conquer next.